Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a QI MATLAB about the quadratic function. Okay, firstly, we must open the QI MATLAB. It can be used the guide command. So please write this code in the command window in MATLAB, and then we will see the QI MATLAB is open. And then we will choose the blank QI default. Then we click OK. After the window is open, we will add the axis. Okay, we will add the axis here, and we will input the first value. Okay, and then we add the second value. We can open it, we can copy it and paste, and then okay, perhaps I can move the windows here, the block here, and then we add the button for run the simulation. I'm sorry, run the program. Okay, after we have the access and then the first input and the second input, also the button, the plus button, we can add the label here for the okay. Please change the text in the static text. The first static text in the string. This is the minimal value. Okay, perhaps the minimal, and then we copy it, and this is the maximal value. Okay, so in this axis we will plot the quadratic function, and this is the minimal value and the maximal value, and this is the push button to execute the QI. After we finish to make the design, then we can save by Control S, and then we can save with the name quadratic function. Okay, after we finish save the QA, we can add the program, the code in the function push button one callback here. Before we edit the program, we must see the name of the each block. So this is the axis is, you can see the axis name is in the wait, okay, in the, so please click twice, double click in the axis one, and then you can see the property inspector here, and the name is in the tag here. So the name is axis one, and also the this edit one, the tag is edit one. So we can tell the text, also the text to text. Okay, this is the edit one block, and it is the second edit block. And the name is edit one and edit two, and then we can open the editor again. Okay, so we must add the program in the push button one callback here. We can write the minimal value is get from the this block. So we can get the minimal value from the edit one that we input the value here, and then we can get the second value, the maximal value that we input to this block. Okay, we write the program here. So to get the value from the edit one block, we must use this command string to double to convert the string value to be double value, or the text value to be the numeric value. Okay, and then get endless edit one, then string, because we will take the variable from the string property. Okay, we will copy it from the max value in the edit to block. Okay, and then we can write the x is min 0.1 to max. So this is the x value for the x-axis, and then the y is the x squared to here. And then we can plot in the axis endless axis 1 here, and then we can plot x comma y. Okay, and then we can save, and we will try to execute the QI. Okay, we can push the play here, the play button here, to run the figure on the QI. Okay, we input 2 and perhaps 0 to 4 here. Okay, this is the quadratic function. Okay, we can write here -2 until 2. Okay, this is the quadratic function. Okay, please, I will show the code here. So we put the code in the push button callback. Okay, this is the code. It's better for seeing the code. This is the minimal value. Okay. So this is the minimal value. This is the maximal value. So we get the value from the edit one and also edit two. It can be taken from this property in the string. So when we input the minimal value in this block and also the maximal value, it will fulfill the string property. So to get the value from the string property, we can call this command also. It is in the string parameter on the string value, so we must use this command to convert the string value to be in the numeric on the double value. It is for the minimal value and also the maximal value. Okay, this is the minimal value and also this is the maximal value. Okay, we can change the value to be -4 until the 4, and we can get the new quadratic function here. Okay, so this is the quadratic function, and then this is to call the axis one, and also this is to plot the line in the axis one. This is we must use point here because this value is array, so we must make this point to make all of the array value uh, in square. Okay, thank you. That's all from my video. Sorry, perhaps I make a mistake in this video. Thank you. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.